Hi friends, I'm going to teach you one tip, one trick in this entire video. So take note and please remember this because it will help you keep your strong ties even stronger. And your vast network of acquaintances and professionals and friends that you meet, this one trick will help them keep within your circle of influence, within your circle of tied, strong influence, okay? So here it goes. I learned this tip from Dennis Chakasian, who is a professor at the University of Chicago Booth School of Business. But Dennis wears many hats. He is on the board of 13 publicly traded, might be even 13 plus, publicly traded US companies. He's also on many private boards, and he's an entrepreneur who owns many businesses. Prior to this all, he was a CEO and chairman of CNA, a large commercial insurance company, one of the biggest, if not the biggest. So Dennis is admirable, yes, because he is a titan in the world of business. But he is even more admirable because of the personal contacts and the strong bonds and relationships that he's built around him. His family loves him and adores him. He has 3 children and 9 grandkids. They all crowd around him all the time. He has friends, professional and personal, that just love him to death. They go boating with him, driving, racing with him. They play with him. They just love talking to him. How did he do it? And it's the tip that he shared with me 10 plus years ago in his classroom that I've kept up with, and it's been working like magic and gold. It's returned much dividends to me. Many people that are in my network that I keep in touch with are in my network and in my strong circle of influence because of the advice he gave me that I practice. Paul Adams wrote the book Grouped. Paul Adams is an influential thinker and author. He works at Facebook and he knows a thing or two about communication and social networks. Paul talks about strong ties and weak ties. We have these concentric circles, right? And in these circles, we have friends. In our immediate inner circle, we have about 5, maybe 10 people that we talk to almost every day. Now, these people, you don't really need to practice this trick I'm going to show you because you are talking to them a lot over text, over email. It's the people that are outer in the outer circle that you want to employ this trick to, because without this, you're going to eventually lose touch with them. In fact, when you reach out to them out of the blue, it's going to feel a little awkward for you and for them. They're going to feel like, wait, why are you reaching out to me suddenly? What do you need? And that is the reaction you don't want from these people. So here it is. What do you need to do? You need to send an email or a text once every 6 months. That's it. As long as you are able to keep in touch with them once every 6 months, you are good, my friend. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below, and please do subscribe. Share this video with other people that you think this might be helpful to. Okay, you have a good one. Bye.